Welcome back to Abnun News, where we provide the latest update on your favorite celebrity. Today we have some shocking news that will leave you speechless. Kim Ji-won, the talented actress, has made a shocking confession that will change everything. We we know about her love life. According to sources close to the actress, Kim Ji-won has revealed that she is deeply in love with none other than Kim Soo Hyun, the heart-warmed actor. This news come as a shock to fans, as the two have never publicly confirmed their relationship. The two have been spotted together on several occasions, but we never thought it was more than just a friendship. But now Kim Ji-won has finally opened up about her true feelings, and it's clear that she here over the hill in love with Kim Soo-hyun. In her shocking confession, Kim Ji-won revealed, "It's been wanted to tell you the world about my love for Kim So-hyun for long. He the love of my life and I can't imagine living without them." This news has left fans standing with we can't to see what's the future hold for these two lovebirds. Stay tuned for more updates on your shocking celebrity relationship and don't forget to subscribe to Abnun News for the latest update.